Here we go. Does this log look familiar? Probably getting sick of seeing it now. This is about the third video I think I've had where I've tried to sell it, I tried to get rid of it, I tried, come up with ideas for using it for something else. Came up with a video, I cut it up with a chainsaw a couple days ago. And if you look at it, I thought I was going to have to trim it down a little more to get in the sawmill, but I think that's as high as my sawmill goes. And I think I'm going to skim right over the top of it. And once I get that cut out of there, I think I might, maybe, if I make that cut, I might be able to turn the log around and flip it and cut the other side off of it and just flip it a couple different ways. And I think I'm going to be able to get this through here. Now the end looks wet. I just cut this yesterday, actually. It was yesterday. It might have been posted a couple days ago, but I think I might save this video for tomorrow, post it tomorrow by the time I get it edited and put together and post it. But all that, it's actually got that dark because it rained on it. The rain has just been raining almost every day, so I try to get what I can. The sun's shining now, so I'm gonna see what I can get done here, see if I can get this cut up. So we'll see how this goes. See if I find a good spot here to put the camera and see if we can watch it cut. cutting this wood here, this big maple log I've been dealing with here, and then come across a couple of nails I hit in it. I pulled them out, pulled that one out, and then there ended up being a second one there, and I cut them both. Cut one there and I cut one there. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. There's the hole, and then, you know, that's where the head of the nail was. Okay, so here's what that stack looks like sitting here on the bed of the sawmill here. So I got, let's see, got 3, 4, 5, 6 1-bys, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-bys out of that. So there it is, there's my stack. I'm going to go stack it, sticker it and stack it and let it dry, but that's what I got out of it. Was it worth it hitting the nail? I don't know. Really, I think the nail didn't even really slow the saw blade down. Cut right through it like a hot knife through butter. But I think I'm going to have to sharpen the saw blade up a little bit though. Picture of these boards, some of them. I got a couple of them up there stacked already, but here's a picture of some of them. You see, some of the figure in some of these is just unbelievable. I'm not sure what I'm going to make out of them, but I'm sure I can do something with them. There they are, the top couple here. There they are stacked. Got the stickers in them. And I put a piece of tin over the top so when it rains it kind of keeps the water off them a little bit. So that's what I got for today. I finally got a piece of that log cut up.